The Cuisinart Griddler model GR4NP1 has reversible non-stick cooking plates that can be used 5 different ways. The grill side of the cooking plates have raised ridges to allow grease to drain away from your food and into the drip tray. The cooking plates have a release button so they can be reversed. The griddle side has a flat, smooth surface. The griddle side can be used for food like pancakes, eggs, bacon, and French toast. The grill side can be used for food like steaks, burgers, chicken, and vegetables. You can use the base and the cover together as a full contact grill. The cover can adjust to the thickness of your food, and both cooking plates get hot to cook your food from both sides. It can also be used as a panini press for grilled sandwiches. The cover rotates open to create a double griddle or a double grill for more grilling area. The cooking plates are 11 inches by 9 inches. You can also have one grill and one griddle. The cooking plates and scraping tool are dishwasher safe. The exterior is stainless steel, and it comes with a 3-year warranty.